Hey, what's going on? It's Eddie for Watch Before You Buy, and today we are taking a look at the new Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Today is the 29th January 2022, and the price of the smartphone is about 290 US dollars. This is how the box looks like, and in the box beside the phone you will find a Type-C USB charging cable with the charging brick, headphone set with the button which can be used to answer the phone calls. Then we have the screen protector, instructions, warranty, and the pin for the SIM card tray. These are the dimensions of the smartphone. The weight is 172 grams. The phone is covered with glass on front and back, while on the sides we have an aluminum curved cover. On the top of the screen we have the 24 megapixel camera with two lenses. Above it is the second noise cancelling microphone, which will automatically cancel out the background noise when you're talking on the phone. At the bottom we have the headset jack, USB Type-C charging port, the main microphone and the speaker. On the right side we have the volume and power buttons. On the left side we have the dual SIM tray with micro SD card slot, while on the back we will find the 20 megapixel main camera with two lenses and a flashlight. Below it is the fingerprint reader, which is slightly indented, so it shouldn't be hard to find it. To wake up the phone you can press the button, or you can do it with the fingerprint sensor if it's set. To unlock the phone you can set it to swipe, pin, pattern, password, fingerprint, which is relatively fast. We also have the face recognition, and that too performs quite good. On top of that you can unlock your phone also with an external device via Bluetooth. Huawei Mate 20 Lite comes with 6.3 inches IPS LCD display and resolution of 180 x 2340 pixels in a 19.5 to 9 ratio. Pixel density is 409 pixels per inch. It's not the brightest of the LCDs, but it still pumps out 460 nits when cracked all the way to the max. This is how the screen looks like on the daylight with brightness level on 30%. And this is 100%. You also have an option of automatic brightness, which I highly recommend. It will set the brightness of the phone based on the brightness of the light around it, so this feature can prolong your battery life too. On top of that, you can also change the screen color mode and the temperature. When it comes to the phone responsiveness, it's quite good. While testing, I didn't see any problems in this area. In the quick settings menu, we have all the standard features. Few things I want to mention here. You can make a screenshot. Mirror share allows you to share your mobile screen on another device like a laptop or a TV. There's also eye comfort and NFC. Even though the smartphone comes with 3 keys navigation, this can be changed to the single key navigation, and this is how that looks like. For those of you who are not fans of the notch, you can actually hide it in the settings. Few other features I want to mention here are one hand mode. You can use it with both hands. App tray can be added too. You can split the screen and tap on the image with 2 fingers and hold to do an Amazon product search. When it comes to the motion control, we have here things like flip to mute, pick up to reduce the ringing volume or to wake it up, raise to ear to answer the call, and you can do a screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers or by knocking 2 times on the screen. To be honest, this feature doesn't work really good. The Huawei Mate 20 Lite's primary rear camera boasts a 20 megapixel sensor with an f1.8 lens and a secondary 2 megapixel camera for depth. On the front of the phone is another dual camera setup with a 24 megapixel f2.0 camera and a 2 megapixel secondary unit. Both cameras are using Huawei's innovative AI technology. When we open the camera app, on the top we have AI shopping mode, so you can use your camera to search products on Amazon. Then we have the flash, moving object mode, AI camera mode, which is on by default. You can turn it off if you like to. And the settings. Below in the menu we have the aperture mode, which gives you an option to control the aperture. Then we have the AR lens added for the kids to play with. Next is the portrait, photo, video and more. Now let's check out some photo and video examples. Here's a short video of an object in movement. The next one is with the camera in movement. This is the zoom level 0, zoom level 50%, and 100%. Here we have two photos of the same subject. The one on the right is done with AI on. The difference is not that big. We can see that AI mode has stronger color saturation. This video is made to demonstrate the speed of autofocus. Alright, now let's take a look at the gaming performance here on the Mate 20 Lite. I tested the phone with Call of Duty on normal graphics, as this is the one of the most popular mobile games out there. And what I found is that the frame rate was quite good. I didn't see any lag or any other problem. There was no overheating either. When it comes to the battery, Mate 20 Lite comes with 3750 mAh battery. Now, what does that mean for you? Let me show you. I performed a few battery consumption tests on 30% of the screen brightness, which is quite enough as the screen is very bright. In the first test, I've used the phone for 30 minutes to browse the internet, and I also used some of the apps too. I lost 2% of the battery. In the second test, I was watching a video with audio on maximum for 30 minutes, and I lost 3% of the battery. In the third test, I was playing Call of Duty with audio on maximum for 30 minutes, and I lost 8% of the battery. So based on my testing and calculations, you will get about 9 hours on screen time when browsing internet or watching videos, while that time will be reduced to about 5 to 6 on screen time for gaming. Now when it comes to the charging, the first thing I want to mention here is that there is no wireless charging support. The charging speed is 10% in 10 minutes, 20% in 30 minutes, 40% in 45 minutes, 45% in 1 hour, and to charge it fully, it will take you about 2.5 hours. And with this, I'm pretty much done with my Huawei Mate 20 Lite. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button, it means a lot to me. If you're planning to buy this phone and you need help with setup, I will make another video on how to do that too. Please let me know what you think about this phone in the comment box below. Thank you guys for watching and have an awesome day.